Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Where you get one of these at a low cost. Fast free shipping, I do believe. And let's see what it is. And also, if you got time, see what other items they have to purchase. But if you like this one, add it to your cart right now so they can ship it to you fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It's almost the weekend, guys. And it's a new month. April the 1st. Opening day. It's almost summertime, guys. And now we have here something. What is this? Oh boy. Alright. This is Toyawany solar pathway lights. Alright. This is Amazon unboxing. So you can check them out. Link will be down below. Holy smokes. Alright, let's get into it. These are simple. Hold this in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get out on the dance floor. Should be good to go. There we go. Got the light. Changes different colors. 7 different colors. I do believe. Maybe more. And then close it back up. You can see it. Still pretty bright with the lights on. Hey, we just got some snow last night. It's cold out. Pop that in like that. Or this side. Either or. And pop that one in here. Pretty cool, huh? So deck out your backyard, patio, barbecue season, 4th of July. Get it decked out, get some lights going. Have some few people of your family members over. That'd be an alright summer. I'm definitely staying home more. There we go. That's locked in. Pop this in. Oops. Right here. Voila. I got 2 down. Pop in. Grab one. Twist. Push. Lights work. Seal it back up. It'd be cool if you could have put some more like rocks or something. See-through crystals. Maybe some crystals you could get going. But it doesn't look nice when it's dark. Maybe put a couple outside to show you guys really quick. And it's cold outside though. Oh, come on. Tight. One push. You can see it changing. Sealed. Dagger. Get the dagger in. Good. Go. You like that. I think I got 3 down. 3 more to go. Actually, we got 4. Bada boom. So we got 2 more to go. Let's get this rolling. Shouldn't be a long video. There we go. That works. Pop that in. Seal. Pop. Oops. It's glowing. Same. Pop. Oops. There we go. Push. Got the light. Got the light. Everything works great. So definitely check them out, guys. Great deal on them they got going on now. So spend that stimmy money on your home. Deck it out. And there you go. Show you how that out there. Turn these lights off. There we go. Oh, good. I don't need to go outside. See, multicolor changing. Really sweet. Remove that. Really cool. Nice colors, bright. And check them out. Toyawany solar LED pathway lights. You can see it reflects off the plastic piece. So really cool. There we go. Alright, YouTubers, I'll leave the links down below. Check them out. Be safe. Have a great weekend. And see you soon.